Eating oranges every day can have various positive effects on your body due to the numerous nutritional benefits they offer. Here's what generally happens in your body when you consume oranges regularly. Vitamin C boost. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports the immune system. Regular consumption can enhance your immune response and help your body fight off infections and illnesses. Improved digestion. Oranges are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. The fiber content also supports a healthy gut by promoting regular bowel movements. Hydration. Oranges have a high water content, contributing to hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for various bodily functions, including regulating body temperature and supporting organ function. Heart health. Oranges contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Consuming oranges regularly can contribute to better heart health by managing blood pressure levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Skin health. The vitamin C in oranges is beneficial for the skin. It supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining healthy and youthful skin. Vitamin C also helps protect the skin from the harmful effects of the sun and pollution. Antioxidant properties. Oranges are rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and carotenoids. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases and cellular damage. Improved vision. Oranges contain beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for good vision and can help prevent eye conditions, such as night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Weight management. Oranges are relatively low in calories and can be a healthy snack option, aiding in weight management when incorporated into a balanced diet and active lifestyle. Blood sugar regulation. Oranges have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower and steadier rise in blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic foods. This can be beneficial for individuals managing blood sugar levels. Improved respiratory health. Oranges are rich in beta-cryptoxanthin, which may help lower the risk of developing lung cancer and support overall respiratory health. Natural energy boost. Oranges contain natural sugars and provide a quick energy boost when needed. The natural sugars are accompanied by fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a healthier choice compared to processed sugary snacks. Improved blood circulation. The potassium content in oranges helps regulate blood pressure and improve blood circulation. Proper blood circulation is vital for overall cardiovascular health and organ function. Alkalizing effect. Oranges have an alkalizing effect on the body, helping to balance the body's pH levels. Maintaining a slightly alkaline environment in the body can support overall health and reduce the risk of certain diseases. Stress reduction. Oranges contain vitamin B complex, including thiamine and folate, which can help reduce stress and improve overall mood. These vitamins are essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system.